how to steam mussels like this in 5 minutes. You'll enjoy this video because it's so quick and easy. So the first thing we're going to do with these mussels is we're going to wash them good. See how this mussel's open? This one's open. These are shut. So we're going to wash these, and then we're going to make sure that all these shut, because if they don't shut, that means that they're dead, and you do not want to cook them if they're dead. Usually if they are dead, they will have a very rancid smell to them, but if they've just died, they won't smell. And if you cook the dead ones with the live ones, you can completely ruin them. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw them here. You can see already, a lot of times you can just squeeze them and see they go shut. So when shut, you know that's alive. We'll wash these in cold water and see if they all go shut. And if there are a couple that don't shut, we will throw them away to make sure we don't ruin the mussels. Now you can see, I don't see any that are open. They're all completely shut. So we're ready to steam the mussels. I got the burner on high. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, small amount, so it doesn't start off burning. The mussels will produce enough water and liquid themselves to make their own juice, which will turn out nice and salty. But I'm making these for a seafood fettuccine video that I'm doing that I'll put on the end screen that you should check out. It's beautiful. It's restaurant quality. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put in a few green onion, a garlic clove, and I'm just going to take lemon and squeeze a bit of lemon juice in there. And then all we're going to do with this, we're going to cover that, and then I'll show you on the camera. We're just going to leave that steam up over the mussels twice. We'll let it go up over once. We'll take the top off. We'll let it go up over again, and then we're going to let it set for 5 minutes. That's all you have to do. This is going to take, I would say, around 5 minutes total, 10 minutes total by the cool down, ready to eat. So these are starting to heat up pretty good. They got some steam coming up there. I wanted to say that this is a basic recipe for mussels. I have all the ingredients up on the screen there. Any ingredients that you want to add to it, there's a large list there. Garlic, tomatoes, wine, there's such a variety, or anything else you want to add. Do that before you steam them. So when you put the mussels in, and when I put all the green onions and the garlic, that's when you want to add everything and steam it all together. So it's starting to get a rapid boil on there. It's almost ready to steam up over the mussels. It's going to keep the cover on. Give that a little spin around like that and just leave it go. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to take the top off because it's coming up over. You can see the mussels all opening, so they're getting close to being done, which they've been on right now for 4 minutes. We're going to let them go for another couple minutes. Now I just want to show you one more time. I'm going to shut them off because they're about to boil up over. Normally I wouldn't take the top off. I'd just let them set for 5 minutes and steam to finish off cooking. But if you just take a look, look how much juice came out of the mussels with only a little bit of water in it. So we'll put the cover on, we'll turn them off, and we will leave them set for 5 more minutes. Mussels are done. They finished cooking by steaming for another 5 minutes. Look good with a little bit of green onion and all around them. Lemons to put on top. These are going to be delicious. Make them look a little nice. Put a little parsley over them. And I will say these go great in chowder. I actually got an awesome chowder video, and believe it or not, I didn't add mussels, but it's a seafood chowder. I'll put it up in the corner. It's worth checking out. It's just delicious. So let's give these a taste. Get a little butter there, because I love butter. First, I'm just going to try one. Look. See how nice and plump they're done. They were already doing for a total of probably 6 minutes, so don't overcook them. That's the key. Beautiful salty taste. And I hardly added anything. I didn't have to add anything. You can give it a try, but I'm going to try one in the butter. So, do me a favor, leave a comment, hit the like, or even do better, subscribe. Try them, you'll love them. Have a good day.